Did you know here at DCTUK, we don't just supply carpet tiles, vinyl and LVT, we fit them too. As the home of affordable design, we can provide you with all the free samples you need to choose the right product for your next project. Provide a free site survey to ensure your floor measurements are correct, and then turn your plans from OK into OMG with our free design service. Just sit back and relax. We'll manage the process from start to finish. Even better, our team of expert fitters will make sure you get that professional finish at a competitive price. There's a reason our clients include the NHS, Network Rail, Manchester Airport, Fujifilm and the Shard. Call us today on 0333 000 7878 or just go to www.dctuk.com/design lab. We're DCTUK, the home of affordable design.